Hi, my name is Chris Wade, and I'm a contractor from the city of Los Angeles. Today I'm going to show you how to repair grout in your bathroom. I'm standing here in our bathroom shower, and we're going to just kind of go through all that we feel needs to be repaired. We got an area right here. We've got a little bit of mold buildup. The grout needs to be repaired. And basically what you want to do is you want to take a thin tool. There are tools that you can buy at your local hardware store, and they do work. You just basically want to get in there and just get all the loose debris out of the area which you feel needs to be repaired. I still find that a sharp, thin file-like tool works best for me. Just get in there and just remove all the debris around the area you want to repair. Get out. You know, you don't want anything that's loose in there. Anything loose will get behind the new grout that goes in, and it won't adhere to the new grout, and it'll end up just breaking out again. So basically, here's our area that needs to be repaired. I've got our pre-mixed grout right now, and you just want to smash it in there. You know, you can use a grout float, but I find that in all these little areas, it's just easier just to use a plastic cutting knife. Make sure it's plastic, otherwise the metal ones will damage your tile. You just want to hit the areas that need the repair. And again, find the one that's most matching to your grout color. But one thing you will find that even though 10 years ago this was snowflake white grout, and you get a box of snow white grout, it will look a little different until it dries. It just takes a little bit of time to kind of get that fading in there to match the other stuff. Once you do that, take your wet sponge, clean water, and just wipe it down. Wipe. And that's how you repair grout in a shower. Nothing to it.